Hello, and welcome to another how-to video. Today we're going to be talking about how to make your own vapor. So the first thing you want to do is you want to have your container that you need to get your fluid in that you're going to use to make the vapor with. Here is the container I'm going to use to get the liquid in first. So you have your container here, and hopefully it has these little measurements on it. This one has, if it can focus, it has ounces and milliliters on it, I think. It's not going to focus. Actually, we can get it to focus. Come on. Focus. Focus. Concentrate. I know it's going to focus. Huh? Almost there. Anyways, what you want to do is you want to get your container that has labeling on. This one has milliliters and ounces on it, and you want to do that. So once you have your container, what you want to do is you want to, I'm using water, so you want to get your water in the container, and I'm going to say you want to approximately get like a good amount. So I mean 8 ounces are on a cup, 16 ounces. I'm going to say like 16 fluid ounces. That's about the size of like a standard water bottle. So I'll say like 16 fluid ounces of whatever liquid you're using, so that you have a good amount of supply left for whenever you run out for the first time. So let's get 16 fluid ounces. It might take a little while, but that's expected because water is more water. Okay, so after you have your 16 fluid ounces, after you have your 16 fluid ounces, what you want to do is you want to take your lid and put the lid on so that none of the particles of your liquid escape. Very, very crucial. Don't forget to get an extra container so that you can catch the vapor once it's transferred from a liquid to a gas, a vapor, whatever you call it. And so finally what you want to do is you want to take your container of liquid, take off the lid, and get your container, and make sure you have your container. And there you go. That's how you make your own vapor.